Hi, welcome back to Shruthi Lakshmi's virtual classroom. Today we're going to see how to find the area of a square. First, let's see what is area. Area is the total amount of space that is taken up by a 2D surface or shape of an object, such as a tile, a wall, or a table. Now, let's see the uses of area. Area has many uses, such as when you're buying a carpet. You need to know the area to buy a carpet because if you don't, it will be smaller or bigger than needed. Other times are when you are painting your wall or finding out how many tiles you need for your flooring. Here we see a square carpet and the dimensions are 6 feet by 6 feet. Remember, all the sides of a square are equal. Now let's see the formula for finding the area of a square. For finding the area of a square, we need to multiply the side times side. So side square. Here the side's measurement is 4 inches. So we have to do 4 inches square or 4 inches times 4 inches, which equals 16 inches square. So here a common mistake is that people write as 16 inches. Remember to always add the square because we're multiplying inches times inches. So the area of the square is 16 square inches. Thanks for watching.